In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF files in WPS Office. By the end, you'll know how to open a PDF, make precise edits to text and images, add new content or annotations, and save your work with confidence. Start by launching WPS Office on your computer or laptop. On the home screen, choose Open PDF, then browse to the file you want to edit and open it. Once your PDF is on the screen, look to the top menu and switch to the Edit tab. This puts all the essential PDF editing tools at your fingertips so you can work directly on the page rather than converting the file. From here, decide what you want to change. If you need to fix wording or update formatting, use Edit Text. Click it, then select the text on the page to reveal a formatting toolbar where you can adjust the font, size, and color, or simply retype to correct spelling and phrasing. This behaves much like editing a document, so it should feel familiar and intuitive. If your PDF includes pictures, choose Edit Image to fine-tune visuals. Click an image to resize it by dragging the handles, move it to a better position, or replace it if you have a newer version. Keeping visuals aligned and consistent helps your document look professional, so take a moment to preview each change. To insert brand new content where none exists, pick Add Text. Click anywhere on the page to place a text box, then type your content and style it to match the rest of the document. This is perfect for adding missing details, captions, or updates without altering the original layout too much. For reviewing and collaboration, switch to Annotate, highlight key sentences, underline important terms, or drop comments in the margins to explain decisions or ask for feedback. Annotations stay layered on top of the content, so they're easy to spot and remove later. Need to direct attention or complete a form? Use insert shapes or signature. Arrows, rectangles, and callouts make sections stand out, while a digital signature helps you finalize approvals neatly within the PDF. When you're ready to adjust something, simply click directly on the text, image, or object you want to modify and make your changes just like you would in a word processor. If something doesn't look right, you can easily backtrack and try again. After you finish, go to Menu and select Save, or press Ctrl+S to preserve your edits. If you'd like to keep the original untouched, choose Save As and give the file a new name. That way, you have both versions available whenever you need them.